Alright, we got our tesmen electrical circuit tester here. It's got a nice little sound to it when there's resistance. Just got the pleats together. Works well. Let's try it out on this roller differential clutch pump. It has a bad circuit. Let's see what it's got. Alright, it says 3.3, I think to 5.3 AC voltage. Let's check this. Got it set up on the circuit I need. We're going to hit it to ground over here on the case. 3.6 AC. So, it looks good. So we move on to terminal 7. Alright, we're on terminal 7. We're going to go to ground over here. You're going to see what it says. 3.5 AC voltage. Alright, so that's good. It's between 1.2 and 3.7 AC voltage. Next, terminal 6, 6.4 to 6.8. Alright, we're on terminal 6 now. We're going to throw it to the case for ground. And I'll look at our meter, see what it says. It's saying nothing. So there's our problem. That's we went wire to wire. Okay, so we got, let's say 6. Go to X2. This is right there. Hooked up. Nada on the meter. And if you look closely up here, you can see that below that red wire, that wire is not there anymore. Another diagnosed car using the tesmen voltmeter that's right here. Still showing no ohms, nothing. It's open. So worked good for me this time. Thank you.